Okay, guys, we're going to go to Ask Scruff. And if you're unaware what Ask Scruff is, it's where the guys that I look after in the squad ask me questions, and I come to camera and I'll answer them personally for them. So here we are. So let's jump ourselves into this, and we'll see. So the guys have been having a little help with little Joe there, trying to get him into BlackBull. But where we're going on this is Trader Clinic. Go into Ask Scruff, and we're going to start with Casper, and then I'll work my way through them today. So a quick question: do you take volume into consideration in your trading? Do you ever look at what's moving and how to avoid low markets? Simple answer to that: never look at it at all. Why? Because the candles in the charts tell me everything I need to know. If there's low volume, doesn't really matter. It doesn't worry me. One of the things with trading, and what I'll say is, you can get way too involved with it. Strip it back to its simplest form. Think of a Bollinger Band, which is what I use the most if I'm looking at volume. When it's crunched in, it's relatively low volume. When it's flaring out, there's high volume. You can say that's a volume indicator. You can put your volume sort of bars at the bottom to see when it's low and high, but is it really going to tell you anything? To me, no, not really. It's just saying it's low or it's high. A Bollinger Band can tell me that. It's compressed or it's flaring. Similar sort of thing. If you're happy with volume, fine, but me personally, I don't pay it any attention at all. I try to keep everything as simple. I used to use MACD, an RSI, and a Bollinger Band. And even those, I don't really pay too much attention to them. They're just helping me see what the state of play of the market is. I'm more interested in the levels, the fibs, and strong directional drives from the candles itself. That tells me all I need to know. And then from there, I just target effectively. So, like I say, you can do what's called analysis paralysis. You can look at way too many things. I think trading should be like a dance partner. Just have one or two and just get to know the moves of what you're looking at and then stick with it. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.